Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the radio model and legal band so you use authorized channels. Power the unit, attach antenna and charge fully. A weak battery reduces range. Once done, tune to the assigned frequency, set power to low for short range or high for extended range, and enable privacy codes to avoid interference. Make a brief test transmission using standard call signs. Speak clearly, hold mic 2-3 inches from your mouth, and pause after each sentence so others can respond. You now program channels to streamline operations. Use the keypad or companion software to enter frequencies, offsets, tones, and power settings. Label each channel so you can find it quickly in stress. Once programmed, test scan and lock features to avoid accidental switching. Scanning helps find active traffic, while lock prevents miskeying. Practice switching to the emergency channel and using the dedicated emergency button so that when seconds count, you'll act without fumbling. And always confirm that tones and squelch are set correctly. You finish with final operational checks and a concise troubleshooting plan. Perform a loopback or partner check to confirm clear transmit and receive audio, and walk the service area to note dead spots. If audio drops or range is poor, inspect antenna seating, clean battery contacts, and reseat or replace the battery. If problems persist, switch channels, increase power briefly, or attach an external antenna. One key tip: if transmissions cut out intermittently, perform a factory reset after backing up programmed channels to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.